Hello everyone, a warm welcome back to my channel. My name is Samira and I hope you are all doing great by God's grace. So today I want to be sharing with you this simple recipe. Okay, so I shared this in my palm nut okro soup recipe. That's what I had with it, and it is rice banku or rice swallow, or you can call it Emotuo, but it's done in a different way. Okay, so please stay with me as I walk you through this recipe. So first of all, we're going to soak our rice overnight. So you need rice and water and salt. That's all you need for this recipe. So I'm going to be soaking this rice overnight. I'm using 3 cups of rice. I will put all the measurements in the description box. Okay. So first of all, I'll just wash it. Okay, I'm just going to wash it just once because we are going to be turning this into banku. We need the starch, so just wash it just to get rid of any impurities in there, right? So just wash it once, and then you add some water to it. So the water that you're going to be adding to it is the same you're going to be blending with it, and you're going to be molding the dough, cooking it with. Okay, so I leave it on my counter, and the following day I come and then we'll continue. So it's the next day. Yes. And then this is how our rice looks like. Okay, so I'll pour it into my blender. You need a blender that can blend this finely. Okay, having said that, if you're not able to blend it finely, you don't have a blender that can do that job, it's fine. It just resemble Emotuo in a way. Okay, that which is also good. It's just the outcome that is important. Okay, so yeah, so you turn everything in here and then you blend. So I'm going to be blending this. Okay, so you blend it until it's smooth, very very smooth. It's like as if you are doing a baby's porridge and cocoa baby rice porridge for a baby. Okay, so you turn it into a saucepan. So I'm pouring it, and look at how it looks. It looks beautiful. It looks really 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 nice. Okay, so I use jasmine rice, perfume rice, because that's what I had. Okay, so I'll tell you about that a bit later, but yeah, you set it on fire and then you add some salt. Okay, I appreciate that this recipe may be new to a lot of you, so that's why I'm taking my time to go through it. So just in case you want to try it, you know what to do and what to expect. Okay, so you just keep giving a stir, just like you're making banku, and it'll start to form at the bottom, but you have to keep stirring to avoid any lumpy rice balls or any lumpy rice swallow. Okay, so with this, just like banku, the consistency will be to your own preference. Okay, so whether you like it soft or whether you like it firm. So if you want it soft, you add more water. If you want it firm, you add less water, really. So yeah, the process of making this is just the same as making banku. So you just press it against the saucepan, crushing every lump in the process. But I find that this doesn't form a lot of lumps for some reason, maybe probably because of the form rice takes. Okay, having said that, I was really stirring it all out throughout, so probably that's why, right? Okay, and with this you can use brown rice, you can use wheat. Okay, different ways of getting whole grain into your body. Okay, all right, so here I'm adding water to cook it further and also to soften it a bit because now it's firm. Okay, and yeah, so you keep stirring until it becomes cook and becomes very very silky. It looks nice and silky, right? So let it cook through. You drive it like I'm driving it, like okabanku, right? And then it becomes the consistency you want, but then it will be cooked. It wouldn't be raw inside. Okay, so here I'm adding the second water. So what you need to do if you want it firm is when you add the first water, you let it sit. You stir it as I'm stirring it, and you let it sit and let it cook through, right? So that it doesn't become too soft. Okay, right? So let it cook through. The only way you know that this is cooked is when you taste it and the rawness is gone, just like banku. You taste it and say, amono nima is not raw. That is it, right? Okay. So one thing I also found with this particular rice I used was because it's jasmine and it's got a very nice aroma. The aroma was coming through for me. And with me, I eat banku a lot, so the banku scent, was sort of like registered in my brain, and I couldn't work out what was going on, because the aroma was really strong and was overpowering for me. So you may find that, or maybe you may like it or you may love it that way. I am telling you my experience that the overpowering aroma coming from the jasmine rice didn't make me like this batch very well. Okay, so just bear in mind that when you use jasmine rice, the aroma is going to be strong. It smells amazing. If you have a visitor, that's what anyway you see. Oh my days, the smell, cha 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 cha. But then to me, my preference. Okay, remember it is my preference. So what is your preference? Try it and see. But then you can use long grain rice or any other non-perfume rice. So you form it into balls, as you see, nicely formed into balls. And that is it. It's as simple as that. It's very, very simple. And it is really delicious. As you can see, that is it. It's done nicely. You just make it like banku. You form the balls and it's just beautiful. So I served it with my palm nut okro soup, as I said. And this is where I put it in my palm nut okro soup. And so maybe many of you may wonder what the heck is that? I know that is it. Very simple and very delicious. So I hope you give it a try, and thank you all for staying with me. Please like my video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.